Place the crisper plate in the container. Put the food on the crisper plate. Then put the heating pot on the container. Plug the machine and press the power button. Press the air fry mode. Deep fry your food with high heat for the ultimate crisp. Best for prepackaged frozen foods. If you want to switch mode, you can't directly switch modes or adjust the temperature and time during operation. First, during operation, press the power button briefly to enter standby mode. Then, select the desired mode. Grill mode. Teppanyaki style, good for medium thickness portion ingredients. Bake mode. Bake mode to make the surface of the food more golden and more flavorful. Roast mode. Give food crispiness and crunch at high temperatures. After choosing the desired mode, you can adjust the temperature and time. Long press the buttons to quickly adjust the temperature and time. Short press the power button to start working. Pause manually, open the heating compartment, or press power during use. It will remind you to flip the food when half the time remains. After flipping the food, put the lid back on, and the machine will resume its original operating mode. During operation, you can still adjust the temperature and time by pressing the respective buttons. When the countdown finishes, the appliance will beep 5 times and exit the operating mode. Alternatively, you can press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it off. After the food is cooked, you can keep it stored with the lid on to maintain its temperature and let it season for a while